Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to cook lemon garlic chicken. Here's the ingredients that you need to prepare for that: chicken, lemon, onion, garlic, chili, ginger, chili powder, turmeric powder, and a bit of sugar, salt, black pepper, olive oil, and you can prepare some spring onions for the garnish. Let's see how to make. First, you need to cut the chicken to the small pieces. Make sure once you cut, you remove all the skins. It's easy to remove if you cut the small pieces. So you have to cut something like this big pieces. Then you can prepare the garlic. Then you can take the lemon. You can take that one side, then you can squeeze it to the lemon, to the chicken. And we're going to put some lemon skin as well. It's good for the health. It's once you put the lemon skin will be like this, so it's good for health and to the taste as well. Then you can add some garlic. Then you can start at the first turmeric powder, and chili powder, add a bit of sugar, and a bit of salt, black pepper, and now you need to mix everything. Make sure you mix it very well. It's mixed. Now we put for marinate 30 minutes in the chiller or fridge. Then after that we can prepare other ingredients. You can cut it the small slices with chili, then diced onion. Then you can prepare the ginger and garlic as well. And then for the garnish you can use the spring onions. Let's see how to cook. Put some olive oil. Let it bit hot, then you can start adding the ingredients. Now it's hot, you can see. So first we add the garlic. Then let it fry a bit, like 5 to 10 seconds. Then you can add the ginger. So let it fry until looks golden brown. Then we add the onions. Next sure is big diced onion. Mix it well, and after that let it fry around 5 minutes. Then you can add the chicken. After that, mix with the onion, garlic, and the ginger. And let it fried around 6 minutes. It must be cooked well. So after around 6 minutes you cook, you can add the red chili. After that you need to mix it well, otherwise it's one side is a bit spicy, then the other side is not spicy, so you need to mix it very well. So after that just keep 2 minutes frying. Then now it's ready to serve. You can sprinkle some spring onions on top. You can see it looks nice. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Thank you very much.